Hello everyone, welcome to GoFast Courier Management System. In this video, I am going to show you the installation process of GoFast Courier Management System. At first, connect your domain to your hosting panel, then open your cPanel. If you don't know how to connect your domain to your hosting panel, then you can check YouTube or you can take support from your hosting service provider. So when you are in the cPanel, you have to click on this file manager and you have to go to your domain root folder. In my case, this is my domain root folder, nimantrangallery.com. So I am here in my domain root folder. Now I am going to upload the zip file what I have downloaded from the Code Canyon, and I am going to upload the zip file here. Here you can see, here is the main project.zip. I am going to upload this file in my domain root folder. You can see here we successfully uploaded this zip file to this domain root folder. Now I am going to the domain root folder, and here you can see the main project.zip, and I am going to unzip this file in this folder. Here you can see extract and extract files. And extraction has been completed. Now I am going to this inside the main project folder, and I am going to select everything from this folder and move everything to the domain root folder. Here you can see my every file has been moved to the nimantrangallery.com folder. This is my root folder. So I am going to delete this main project.zip because I don't need this zip file anymore. So now I have to create my database, and you also have to check your PHP version. Your PHP version should be PHP 8 or above. Here you can see my Nimantran Gallery PHP version is 8.1. You can change, click here, and here you can select your PHP version. So my PHP version is 8.1 and apply. It's mandatory your PHP version have to be 8.0 or above. So now I am going to create a database. So here I am creating a database called GoFast. Create database. Okay, my database has been created. You can see here you can Banglami GoFast. So now I have to create an user for this database. Here is my username, and I have to create a password. So you can see my database user also created. Now I have to connect this user to this specific database. So I have to connect GoFast user to GoFast database. You can see add user to database. Click add, and here you have to check this get all privileges and make changes. So here you can see my database has been created successfully. You can click here. You can see your Banglami GoFast database is here, and this database is empty. So now you have to navigate to your domain. In my case, my domain is nimantrangallery.com. So I come here, and you can see here is my installer. Now click here, check requirements. You can see, if you can see all of this check mark is blue, then you are ready to go. So click here, check permissions. Here you can see you have to give these three permission: storage framework permission 775, storage logs permission 775, and bootstrap cache. So come to your come to your domain root folder again, and here you have to find storage and log and change permission 775, and if you come here and refresh the page, you can see this checkmark blue, and here you have to give another permission: storage framework and bootstrap cache. So I have to change this permission. Here you can see 775 storage framework, and I have to give another permission to the bootstrap. Here is the bootstrap and cache change permission 775. okay, you're ready to go. Now refresh the page and you can see all requirements has been fulfilled. So here you can come here, environment setting, and click this button from widget setup. So here you have to define your app name. In my case, my app name is Go Fast. You will set your company name or your app name here, and here you have to select here this development option. Sorry, development, not development, is production. App debug false, and here you have to paste your domain URL. In my case, my domain is nimantrangallery.com, and this is my domain URL. Not this, only this is my domain URL. So I am pasting my domain URL here, and set up database. You can remember our database. We already created a database. I am coming to my database here, PHP myadmin, and here is the database, and server name localhost. You can see database host localhost, and and your database name Banglami Go Fast database name here, and your database username. Where you can find your username, I am showing. Click here MySQL database and come to here current user, and select your user for this database. So here I am pasting my username, and I hope you can remember we created the database and the user and everything. I hope you can remember. And here is the database password. And setup application, click here and install, and here you can see installation finished, and click here to exit, and here you can see you are ready to go.